is brutally attacked in their home.
Mobile 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Hey, somebody just got shot.
He had sustained gunshot wounds to the head.
9mm cartridges trailed all the way down to the street.
And she got shot 16 times.
Then he went back to set the house on fire.
Detectives worked tirelessly to piece together what happened.
They uncover every stone in order to find the person who did this.
This is some scary person to be running around on the streets.
We have to get answers as quickly as possible.
Then, the case takes a miraculous turn.
I woke up in ICU.
We had a surviving victim.
I remember him shooting me in the streets like a dog.
But will they be able to catch the killer before it's too late?
He told me it was in the mouth.
It's one of the most intentional and pre-planned crimes that I've ever seen as a prosecutor.
I was scared if he was going to come back to kill me.
I can't imagine anything more terrifying.
They're wondering, are we ever going to see justice?